Right.
Okay, Kevin, tell me what this is.
It's a lump of plastic.
Well, yeah, besides being that.
3D printed Delta Jet, running on 3S currently, 50mm EDF, and we'll see how it goes. Right.
Basically, it's repurposed strimmer wire.
Pretty much. Right.
Teeth thrower.
Like that, yeah.
Just let it come up my hand, I guess.
I guess so. I better get Kevin, he'll probably want to see this.
Gyro's not working.
No gyro.
Anything, or just let it.
I would just give it a bit of a
Push.
High rates it is then.
Yeah.
I'd call that a success.
I like the yellow, orange.
I think I would go better on 4S.
You need another cell in there.
Yeah,
And it'll balance better.
and it'll balance better.
Got some with you.
Yes. Oh, fucking hell! Oh!
What's that?
Oh, the roll. Ready?
Do it again. Oh. Blink and you miss it.
Woo!
They go with the bounce stop and the aeroplane went round the road.
Yeah.
You didn't try the stall?
No, I'm not. Just fucking flying it.
Oh, that flies really well.
It does actually.
I'd call that a success.
Maybe less aileron.
Yeah.
Why?
Elevator's about right. Fine at a time, haven't we?
It's been flying for about a minute and a half.
Get cocky now.
Aileron's just a little bit sensitive. Okay, right.
Touch and go.
Good with it.
So we're going to attempt a landing.
Wind, as you know, is right in front of you.
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Well done, Kev. That was a great one.
That might high alpha.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, Brian.
That's poor. Well, not poor, but real heavy mist in bloody daylight.